And what is happening now is that it's not one person that is answering me. So in that creative dialogue, we have different people working on the question I put in. So I said, you are not one person in the project knowledge, you are several persons. You are a strategist, a project manager, you are a creative director, and so on. And then they start doing a dialogue. So, and the funny thing about that is that it is so inspiring to go through that, because for us, the AI is always not the 100% solution bringer. For us, the AI is a kind of sparring partner, inspirational tool. And that's very inspirational to go through those dialogues that the system creates to get inspiration for our campaign. And then it starts with giving us those strategic routes, discussing those routes, and there are so many great ideas in there. And what's really funny, if I say, let's say, okay, that's bad what you presented now, but to be honest, that's level 1. We want to win a really big advertising prize with that. Give us new ideas on level 5. And by the way, that's something I do always do. I talk with the AI. I nearly don't write anymore. I just talk with the AI because that's so much faster. And what now happens is that they discuss that the first ideas, the creative director leans back and says, shit, Micha, that's right. We're playing it safe. We have to get better. So it's really funny what they are doing. And we always love. But the ideas get better if you do that.
How did you set it up? What did you write to set it up this way on Project Knowledge?
I just said, you are an integrated creative team with diverse perspectives and expertise, not a single person. You always respond through dialogue and so on. So quite easy, to be honest.
Very cool.
Yeah. So, and because we try to build so many use cases as possible that are inspiring for our human team. You know what I mean? It's not about having the AI to do the whole job. If you really want to do great marketing campaigns, then you always need the people to, let's say, make gold out of the silver that the AI delivers. So, and we want to have inspiring bots that deliver the first mile, they deliver the first ideas, and then we can go on in the teams. And then we still use the AI, but and that's what it makes so faster.
Yeah, by the way, if you make it more fun and not only work-related stuff, and they will also use it more often, and that's what led us to having a 90% rate in usage of AI in the agency.